I gotta gas myself up. This is so cute. Hello girls, thanks for tuning in. As you can see, we need to do our hair because, ooh, this is like one of my most requested hairstyles. I pray I can pull it off for you guys. I'm gonna do my absolute best. I really loved the hairstyle when I did it. And I've been wanting to do it again since then. I've just been having so many wig reviews to do that I've been sort of backed up. But today we're gonna be doing it. So the brand Toyotress, this is like my fourth review for this company. I love their hair. They have synthetic crochet hair, which is so bomb. Today I have their beach curl hair. I have 10 inches and it's a color 1B. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. It will be linked down below in the description bar if you want to get your hands on it. Like I said, it is crochet hair, but crochet hair has many purposes, many uses. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I use it. This is what the hair looks like right out the pack. Very pretty. So you can see if you wanted to do like a full crochet or a full weave, it's going to be pretty long. It's pretty hair. Oh my god, it's really pretty. Oh, that is gorgeous. So this is the hair we're going to be using today for our hairstyle. We're going to need rubber binders for our buns, gel, edge control, whatever you use to slick your hair down. Let's get started. What we're going to do first is get our hair sectioned off into two sides. So we're just going to do a part right down the middle.
Always know that. Hey.
I use water because my hair is more manageable when it's wet. Because when it's dry, you guys can see it's real stiff. So I use a little bit of water.
I told my shawty you ain't gotta make a fuss. When I was down out of luck, and you stuck. It was us in a rut. Woke up, I hit a chick for you. Baby, give me life, you know I live for you. Ride or die, kill for you. Let them talk slick, I'ma have to split a wig for you. Where you grab my chain, got me feeling like chips on you. You know I'm here for you. Baby, if you ever try to leave, I'ma beg, I'ma plead, I'ma have to hit my knees. Girl, you got me shedding tears for you.
Next, I'm getting some edge control. I'm using the Kiss Edge Fixer Maximum Hold. And the flavor great. And it smells so good. It's gonna take a lot of edge control too. So I'm just gonna pick this all around the ponytail.
Yeah, I touch your baby, you're the only one I need. But the gang gotta fly you overseas. It's on me, you know that it's a breeze. My little Caesar, cause she keep it hot and ready. You been working out, so you staying healthy. No, I'm from the A, so I gotta grip it like the.
I'm going with some of my I'm gonna go with some of my Gorilla Snot Glue Gel. Yeah, Gorilla Snot Gel.
I'ma keep it real with you. Didn't know angels exist. Heaven opens when we kiss. Let me make it real clear for you. Baby, I'ma keep it real with you. I'ma keep it real with you. You know that I'ma keep it real.
Take your hands and just smooth the product through your hair.
I'ma keep it real with you. Always know that. Hey. You gotta roll. Here we go. Hey. Yeah. I told my baby you're the only one I trust. I told my shawty you ain't gotta make a fuss. When I was down out of luck, and you stuck. It was us in a rut. Woke up, I hit a chick for you. Baby, give me life, you know I live for you. Ride or die, kill for you. Let them talk slick, I'ma have to split a wig for you. Where you grab my chain, got me feeling.
So guys, I'm gonna do this side, I'll be right back. So guys, now that we have our buns done, we're gonna put on a satin scarf so that our hair can dry and hold this position. So guys, next what we're gonna be doing is putting our crochet hair on one of these binders. Now this hair is already loose, so all you gotta do is just fold it in half, separate it, and then add it to your scrunchie. Just gonna divide it where you see the string is at in the middle, and run your finger through it pretty much, and then just slide. Oh, I'm missing one right here. Make sure you have the hair on each side. Like, you don't want to be crossing them over. So divide the hair, and then you can slide this right on off, and then you can put your ponytail holder. So it's a lot quicker and a lot easier that way. Okay, so guys, this is how it's looking. So I have 3 bundles on each. So 3 bundles and 3 bundles. So 6 all together. And we're gonna be slapping these. Oh my God, look how pretty this hair is, you guys. It's doing. I love this combination because it holds my hairs, and I have 4C hair. I tell you guys that all the time. And these 2 products together hold my hair down so well. But if you want to, you can just do ponytails, period. If you're going to do ponytails, I would put it on this way and then do the hair and then let it hang over so that way you can hide the bun. I don't want to mess my hair up. I'm put it on there loosely. This hair is so gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is just too cute. She is cute. So if you're gonna do this, I would like wrap the hair around loosely, go in there and tuck a bobby pin in there so that way it keeps your bun covered. And I would do the same thing in the back. It's up to you. So I wrap it around once. I'm gonna pull this back and through. I'm pulling it in through the back. I'm gonna scrunch it up a little bit because I want it to be a little bit bushy. It's looking so neat.
Shawty, you ain't gotta make a fuss. When I was down, out of luck, and you stuck. It was us in a rut. Woke up, I hit a chick for you. Baby, give me life, you know I live for you. Ride or die, kill for you. Let them talk slick, I'ma have to split a wig for you. Why you grab my chain, got me feeling like chips on you. You know I'm here for you. Baby, if you ever try to leave, I'ma beg, I'ma plead, I'ma have to...
Now guys, if you want to, you can stop here. I'm going to put in some gems. I got these from the craft section at Walmart. I'm going to use some eyelash glue to attach them to my head. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. The hair is so gorgeous. You guys see, you can see for yourself, it's gorgeous. And you can do a full crochet, a wig, buns, a ponytail, pigtails, however you want to style it. It is gorgeous, gorgeous hair. So like I said, this is the beach curl. I have 10 inches, the color 1B. This is from Toyotress. It'll be linked down below in the description bar. I love you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.